If you were like me, tired of being tired, we'll kind of understand there comes a time in your life where you just need to realign and get rid of all the noise around you and prepare in silence. Come back fully armed. There comes a time in one's life where you need to get rid of all the noise and the distractions that keeps you from progressing. Sometimes we are so busy with everyone else and everything else, but without any progress in your own life, with your own goals, with your own dreams. I remember not so long ago, disappearing for almost 2 years. I decided to rebuild myself, almost completely off the grid. I was in training mode. I was preparing myself for battle. You see, if you want to be successful, no matter what success means to you, there will have to be some sort of sacrifice. I realized that if I'm going to continue going with the crowd, I'm going to end up just like everyone else. Broke, miserable, and still trying to figure out what I'm going to do for the rest of my life. That is the crowd. That is everyone else. And I needed to change that. I needed to isolate myself. I needed to figure out what is it that I need to do? What is it that's going to separate me from the crowd? And I had to isolate myself in order to determine that. It's time to focus on you. It's time to rebuild you. No more distractions. Disappear, build in the dark, and come back with a force. I had to, at some point, realize that life is not a race. Life is actually a marathon. Everyone wants to be successful. Everyone wants to have it all. Everyone wants to succeed. But I realize no one wants to do the work. No one wants to sacrifice the time. Life is not a race. It's a marathon. You're going to have to start to disconnect yourself from everyone else just for a little while and figure out, why are you here? What is it that you need to do? What is your purpose? Remember, life is not a race. I am reminded by the story of the lion. Why is the lion considered to be the king of the jungle? And no, it's not because he is strong or fearless. No, it's because of his confidence. It's because of his mentality, his attitude. It's his confidence that makes him the king of the jungle. Start becoming like the lion. Build on your confidence. Build your mentality. Disappear, come back and blow your enemy away. You are the king of your jungle. You are not created to fit in. You are created to dominate. So stop following the crowd. Disappear, come back, and again, blow them away.